Can I transfer my Apple gift card balance to my bank account?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're delving into a question that many Apple gift card holders have pondered. Can I transfer my Apple gift card balance to my bank account? Let's explore the possibilities together.
What is an Apple gift card?
An Apple gift card is essentially a prepaid card that allows the holder to make purchases on Apple's platforms, such as the App Store, iTunes, and even in Apple retail stores. They're often given as gifts and come with a specific balance.
Can I directly transfer to my bank account?
The straightforward answer is, no, you can't directly transfer the balance of your Apple gift card to your bank account. Apple gift cards are designed to be used for products and services within the Apple ecosystem, and the company doesn't provide a direct mechanism to cash out or transfer the value to your bank account.
Are there any workarounds?
While Apple does not allow direct transfers, some people have sought alternative methods to convert their gift card balances into cash. Here are a couple of options. 1. Reselling the card. There are platforms and websites where people sell or trade gift cards. You might not get the full value, but it's a way to convert it to cash. 2. Gifting or trading. If you have a friend or family member who is interested in making a purchase from Apple, you can offer them the card in exchange for cash. This way, they get a discount, and you get some money in return. Please note, always be cautious when using third-party platforms to avoid scams. To sum up, while there's no direct way to transfer your Apple gift card balance to a bank account, there are some workarounds. Remember, the primary purpose of these cards is for Apple's ecosystem. If you find yourself with an Apple gift card and no intent on using it, consider the alternative methods mentioned. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this information has been beneficial to you.